Good afternoon to one and all. So welcome to the second day session. So in last sessions, HOD madam discussed about the how to use the latest software to write a research article, to write a thesis, and to prepare a paper presentation, how to prepare a paper presentation slides, all those things. And later the Dr. Kati sir told about the how to do a research, what are the objectives and all those things. Okay. And today we are having the very important session now. So that is about the how to publish a paper in patents. Okay. Most of our projects, our department is asking to prepare to publish a patent publications for all your project students. Okay. That's why every project must be converted into a patent publication. Okay. So here we are honored to introduce the today's session. Sir, Dr.P.Sampath Kumar Garu. So sir will explain about the how to publish a patent and what are the different procedures to follow while filing a patent. What are the necessities and what are the precautions to be taken. So regarding that, Dr.P.Sampath Kumar sir has vast experience in the academic as well as also having the industrial experience and completed PhD at Day2, Kakinada. And he acted as a having the various administrative experience. At present, he is acting as a controller of examinations for our college. Okay, and having the more number of the patents and IEEE journals and other journal publications and also IEEE conferences. So he is very active in research and very active in publication in the patent filing. Okay, so sir, I am handing the session to the sir. I request all of you listen carefully and write the procedure. What are the steps to be followed to file a patent? Okay, so it is very important session for all of you. You must need to publish a patent. That's why listen carefully and write the procedure. What are the sir will discuss in the session. Okay, so I'm welcoming you, sir. So please hand out the session.
Thank you very much, sir. Welcome to the second session. That is the second day, first session. Good afternoon to all of you. So first of all here, the patent office procedures. So how to publish patent. Before going to know about the patent publication, first of all, we need to know how it will get as a patent. Okay, an idea can be converted to a patent. Okay, so if you are having any idea on anything, we can convert into in the form of a paper. After that, it can be published and it having some security from the government also. So that that can say that it is a patent, right? So here we see the patent rights are granted by national patent offices, right? And patent protection for an invention must be sought in each country individually. So in different countries, in India, we are having some procedure is there to publish a patent or your idea. Okay, how can you get the idea means what you are facing is surrounded by you a problem that can be converted to an idea. Okay, you are facing so many problems surrounded by you. Okay, in theoretically or practically, how to overcome that? Someone get some idea on it. Okay, so that can be converted to in the form of a paper. So that is nothing but the general. After that, if you want to have any rights on that particular paper, so that can be treated as a patent. Okay, so for example, I'm having in my pocket, I'm having one pen is there. This is a Parker pen. This pen having one cap is there. The cap having so and so design is there. Okay, the particular design is it looks like as a racket symbol. If I would like to convert this symbol to some flat, okay, so it can be protected by the government when I publish the patent or when I take the rights from the government of India. Okay, so no one cannot use that particular procedure or particular idea except me. Okay, until unless if I give the rights to them or if I sell that particular product to in the market, then only they will take the my idea or my product. Okay, until unless no one should not touch my product. Okay, so how can I get these all these things means if I file the patent and if I would like to take the permission from the government, then only I can get the rights on that my idea. Okay, so the patent rights are granted by the national patent offices only. Okay, and it is for country wise. In any country we can publish the patent. Okay, so and the India law of patent cherished idea in the Patent Act as 1970. The Act seeks to provide for legal protection for inventions. So if you want to get any legal protection, that means an idea having some legal protection means I need to publish that particular paper or the particular patent in particular way only. Okay, so and object of the patent law. The object of the patent law says here the statutory rights to owner of the patent for a certain period of time to stop others from using. Certain period of time means 20 years they will give the period to the particular inventor. If I am the inventor, the government will give you 20 years for that my product. Okay, so if I can buy the product, someone else purchase the product means every time I will get the some profit on particular product. If someone buy the so and so pen, this pen, so I will get some profit on it, some percentage on it. Up to how much time is 20 years. After 20 years, I can extend that product or I can submit to the government, then it will be available to everyone. That means anyone can manufacture by using my idea after 20 years. Okay, so a statutory rights to owner of the patent for a certain period of a time to stop others from using, selling or working out his invention and exploit it commercially. And to disclose the invention and practice that invention and make it work, thus encourage the scientific research and new technology. Okay, so the another object of the patent is this one only. What is it? Encouraging the scientific research and the new technology. Okay, so the India government encourages all the students or any inventors to research on the any product to form it as a patent and to stimulate new inventions of commercial utility and to pass invention into public domain after the expiry of the fixed period of the monopoly. That means after 20 years, we can expire of the fixed period. That means it is to be expired. We will give it to the public only. Okay, anyone can use that type, that model, okay, that design also. Okay, no one will stop you after 20 years. Before 20 years, everything is to be in your hand only. Okay, if anyone do anything means I can play some case on them also. Okay, that is my right. Why? Because I invented that product. I invented so and so design only. Okay, even it is some methodology or any design, okay, or any simulation like your any simulations, whatever it may be. Okay, so what is the benefits of the patents? Okay, so the benefits of the patents is exclusive legal rights and prevents copying. No one will copy your product or your design and increase commercial values and attracts inventors and funding, market advantages and brand image. Okay, so there is a advantage is there by inventing any new product, right? So and patents is proportional to what it is, collaborations, and will if you invent any something else, you'll get some money and also some fame also, you will get some name also. So and so person invented something else, so that's why you'll get some name. Okay, so all these are to be added to yours only, right? So and grant is also there. Grant and patent publication both are different. And grant is there. To get a patent grant, the first most steps is to file a patent application. If you want to get some any grant, first of all you need to apply the some patent. Okay, so what are the steps means here? Who can file a patent application? First thing, where to file a patent application, I will tell you in upcoming, and how to file a patent application. Okay, in next slides, I will tell you how to patent applications and how to file a patent application. So the first thing is here, who can file a patent? Any Indian can file a patent. In other countries, they can also apply a patent in their country only. Okay, so in India, but in case of the grants, we can publish not only in India, all over the India, we can publish a particular grant that can be accessible. It is permissible. So here in India, section 6 and 134, the applications can be filed either alone or jointly. Okay, I can alone can publish a patent, can invent anything, something in alone or jointly group. 4 members or 5 members, 12 members, maximum we are using 12 members, right? To publish any patent. By any person claiming to be a true and first inventor. First person is the first inventor, preliminary inventor. Okay, any questions or any queries, any advantage or disadvantage belongs to that first person only, mainly first thing. Remaining all persons are not carry that much. By any person being the assign of personal claiming to be true and first inventors, proof of assignment has to be submitted along with the application. There is a process is there to apply the patent, that is a patent form application. So proof assessment has to be submitted. You need to submit the proof assessments. And by the legal representative of any Indian can file the patent. So where to file the patent application? Second one, the appropriate office of the patent office shall be the head office of the patent office of the branch office, as the case may be within the whose territorial limits. And residence of applicant or domicile or his place or businesses. In India, we can apply the patent in patent offices, or we can send by post, or we can apply in online also by sitting in your place. If the applicant has no businesses or domicile in India, the addresses for services in India is given by someone. If someone is want to publish any patent in India only, at that time what it will do there? Your friend is there, your friend is belong to some other country, but he is willing to publish the patent in India, then how can it possible? Means the answer is here. Applicant has no business, no domicile in India. The address for service in India is given by someone belongs to India, can fill it in the applicant. If in that particular region or area, if I am there, my friend is there in US, let us assume that, and I can file the patent in India with his name. He is the second person or third person, whatever, but preliminary person is myself only. Myself belongs to India, so that's why I can publish the patent in India. Okay, nothing will happen. Okay, that is the another opportunity given by our India only. Okay, Indian patents. So different regions are there. If I am belongs to some region, then when I am applying the patent, it belongs to which office? Here we are having 4 different offices are there. I want to publish a patent, then where I belongs to. Okay, so which my region is belongs to in which office? We are having journals are there. Zone 1, Zone 2, Zone 3 is there like that, right? So Zone 2 and Zone 3 means here Vijayawada, some Guntur and Prakasam belongs to one zone, and Kadapa and Karnool, Nellore, Tirupati belongs to another zone. Like that we are having the zones are there. Similarly here also in India wide, if you want to publish any patent, we require some offices. You need to use that particular office, belongs to that office only. Apply your patent through that office only. So here Chennai is there, Mumbai, New Delhi and Kolkata is there. So we belongs to Chennai. The states of Andhra Pradesh, AP, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Union Territory and Pondicherry, Lakshadweep, these cities or these states are belongs to Chennai only. When you apply any patent, you need to apply Chennai office only, not for the Mumbai or New Delhi. And if it is the Mumbai means some other states are there, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, something is the Goa, Chhattisgarh and Union Territories and Dayu Damans. These are the cities are there, or the states are there, belongs to the Mumbai, and New Delhi offices, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu, Kashmir, Punjab, something. And Kolkata, remaining all the rest of the India belongs to Kolkata. I will show you the application, total application, then you can understand what it is. Next, how to file a patent application. So the next question is, we have some idea is there. Yes, that idea is you need to place on paper. Yes, it is. And it is to be implemented. You are having some results are there. If it is the simulation, electrical related or any electronics, your engineering methodology, you are using some simulation outputs are there or any design is there. Everything is to be fine. After that, you need to write the paper without any plagiarism. Okay, you should not copy anywhere. Okay, in your own words, you need to write the total paper, like a general paper only. You need to write here also the patent file. Okay, the main script with results also. Okay, so after that, you need to apply the patent in the Indian patent site. So documents can be filed in the patent office through online e-filling, or we can also post that everything to the office, Chennai office or Mumbai, whatever it may be. Okay, which state is belongs to you, that office you need to use the address. So here I provide some link here. If you open that link, then we can easily log into it and start uploading your files one by one or step by step. I will show you that one. Here I say you can also submit it by hand also. By hand also we can submit your patent, right? So the life cycle of the patent. So first one is you having any idea. That is the first starting point before going to get the grants from the government. Right? So if you are having an idea, yes, I'm having an idea. After that, what should we do there? Filling of the application, patent applications, and grant of the patent. After that, monetizing the patents. That means you earn the money. If anyone is to be purchased your product, at every time you get the money. Okay, that is the benefit and advantage of that one. And using your profile and R&D. My profile is to be improves. Worldwide, I can, everyone knows what I am, what I invented. That product is belongs to whom, right? So these are some benefits of the patent. So general procedure for obtaining a patent. What is the procedure? So these are some introduction part only here. After that, I will show you how to file the patent. Filing of the patent application, first thing, and publication after 18 months. Right? So next, pre-grant oppositions and representation by any person and request for the examinations. That here also for every publication having examination is there, scrutinizing is there, right? So examination, grant of the refusal and publications of the grant of the patent and post grant oppositions to grant of patent, decision by the controller. So these are the some steps. These are the some procedures up to obtaining a patent. It is not easy to get the patent. Just if you drop the file in the patent site or in the Indian patent site by logging by using of your credentials, that much not easy to get the patent. There is an examination is there on your idea. If the examiner approves you, then only you will get the patent after the period. After this period, it may take 2 weeks, or that means 14 days, just to accept your patent. That is the publication of the patent only. For you, the publication is sufficient. That's why we are recommended all the students, please publish a patent after simulation your project work. That means your project work converted to the patent publication only. Up to the publication, it's sufficient to you. After that, for time being, then all the procedure is to be completed. Then you'll get the benefits from that your patent, your idea, on your idea. Okay. So this is the graphical representation of the patent granting procedure before 2005 and after 2005. So patent applications and examination is there one by one, and applications in order for the grant, advancements and acceptance of the complete specifications, oppositions by the invested person and selling, and finally you'll get the grant. But after 2005 here, pre-grant opposition is there. Pre-grant opposition. After publication, up to the publication, this is same for pre and after the 2005 year. After the publications, you require the pre-grant oppositions are also. That means it is added by the some exam. After completion of this only, the examinations and applications, finally you will get the grants. Okay, so that's why I already told you it is very, very difficult to get the grant from your idea. Not that much easy, right? So here I will show you some application fees, what you need to pay after filing the your ideas like this. The individual startup, small entity, it is around 1600, and other large entities around it is 8000. Right? So here the request for ordinary examination, we are doing this one only, student point of view. Request for ordinary examination, form 18 you need to fill up, and the individual startup amount is 4000. With GST you will get 4100 only. Right? So again, the renewal after completion of the total thing. So if you want to renew your patents, I said already 20 years maximum period of your idea. So 3 to 6 years, individual means you need to pay 800 again, and 7 to 10 years, the charge 2400, 11 to 15 and 16 to 20, so on 8000 like that. If it is the large entities, you need to pay 40,000 also. Right? So these are the amounts you need to pay if you want to get really up to the end of to receive the grant from your idea. And these are the other official fees, certified copies for fees is there. Everything, every step you need to pay some amount here. We are paying something means at the end also we receive the same amount. Not only in terms of the price, you will get some fame also on your name, on your product. So here I would like to start to, before going to file the patent, you need to take e-mudra. E-mudra pricing policy is there. First of all, you need to take that e-mudra. So that is the, if you enter into e-mudra in Google, then it will show you like this. So here you require the digital signature certification. You have some signatures are there, that is not the signature official, it is not officially approved. So many people having some signatures are there, but here you need to take the digital signature. Okay, I'm not think about to discuss this time about this e-mudra. Okay, so finally, if I get the e-mudra, then I'll get this one, your payment and successfully, and that means I received the e-mudra here. Okay, finally you'll get this window. Okay, so now after getting that particular e-mudra, then what should we do there is we need to prepare the files. Okay, so how many files are required means here we require these files. See, first one is the form 1, form 2, form 3 and form 5, form 9. So these are the required, along with we require abstract your paper or your idea. Then separately you require the figures, description of the figures. So all these are need to upload the files. Okay, so this form 1, in every form it requires your signatures. For example, 10 members or 5 members are there, you require your name and signature. That table should be required here for every file, every form. So here let us see, this is the form 1. The Patent Act in 1970, so something is here. So application for grant of the patent. So this is for office use only. Form 1 look like this only. So we need to first fill all your details in this format only, not in your format. This is the format. Okay, so prescribed by the patent office. So that's why you need to follow here like this. So the first person name, nationality Indian, and address and country belongs to India. State is Andhra Pradesh. District is Babatla. City is also Babatla. Right. So like this, you need to fill the form. How many inventors are the applicants? These are called as the applicants. How many applicants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 and 8. 8 applicants are there. We can place 12 also for each patent, maximum number. Okay. So if applicants and inventors both are same, just you need to click one blank is there, then one pop-up is there. If you click that one, then inventors and applicant both are to be same. If you are not click that one, you need to place the inventors. Inventors are separate. Then the applicants. Even applicant is 1. We can place inventors as 10 members also. Same applicant can be treated as the inventor. That is our option only. But finally, it will take inventors list only, not the applicants list. Even 10 members are the applicants, but inventor is only 1. So the total patent belongs to that inventor only. So here, some persons, myself also there here. So these are the first file you need to prepare like this. Okay. So this is the thing. Finally, you need to your signatures. This is important thing only, right? So these are the required formats. I'll give you later. So finally, to the controller of patent, the patent office at Chennai only. Okay. So in Chennai, that is our address. Okay. So this is about the first form 1. Okay. So similarly, form 2 and form 3 and form 5, something, all the forms are there. for required forms, you need to fill all the forms, right? So, and abstract is different. Okay. So, and the figures also different. I will show you drawings. So, figure 1 and description about this figure. You need to write description about the figure, and again you need to use signatures. Like this, you need to prepare the figure files. Figure files. How many figures? 10 figures are there means you need to claim the 10 figures here. Right? So, and this one is also important. It is claims. Okay. So, what are the procedure we are following to get the output of the product? Okay. So, your idea and what are the steps you are taking there? Yeah, for example, in your paper point of view, so previous, what is your existing topologies or existing controlling techniques? What are there? That is one claim. And another claim is what is supposed to apply the new controlling technique? That is another claim. And what is your output? And comparison of the previous controlling technique and your techniques. That is another claim. And what are you going to propose to do in future? That is also another claim. So like that, you need to form 10 claims, minimum 10 claims from your paper, right? So this is also important thing. You need to frame or you need to prepare this file, claims file. Okay, so figures price is important and claims file is important along with the forms, required forms. Required forms means you can fill it from the your paper only, from copy and paste there. You can get the that particular forms. You can fill it easily, right? So here, after getting the e-mudra means you are having some licensed person from the government with your signature also. If you want to do this one means you require your Aadhaar card also, and you need to pay the money here, nearly 2,500 rupees for each person. If the applicants are 10 members are there, one applicant minimum required to get this e-mudra. No one having the e-mudra means it is not possible to apply the patent. Okay. So 10 members means 10 members having the e-mudra means no use at all. One is sufficient. The applicant must and should having that e-mudra, at least one person. So after that, you need to use the link Indian Patent Office or type IP Indian Patent. Then you'll get the Indian Patent Office like this, right, in Google. So click on it, you'll get like this. Okay. So here, see this one, click the public and on in particular window, you need to click it. We will get 1 minute. This one. So after that, filing patent. You need to click the filing patent, right? So first to open the Google and type the Indian patent, IP India patent. You will get the sites. So here, click on it, Indian Patent Office. Next, after that, you will get this window. In this particular window, you click on it, this public, and we will get this site directly here. Patent filing, click on it. So you are about to proceed to the actual website. Yes, it is. So click yes. It appears like this, right? So finally, you will get this window. So here you need to enter your username, password, and the particular captcha. What you use in previous in e-mudra, same thing is to be placed here, your credentials. Using that credentials only, you need to log in into this site. right? So this one, e-filing of the patent application. It will opens like this. Okay. So here we are having the form 2, 9, 13, 18, 28. Okay. All these are there, and select from starting form 1 procedure to the e-filing. So here our address is Chennai only. Application is ordinary application, complete application. Type of the specification is complete specification. So here finally description. In your total number of how many pages are there in your idea, on your idea, you written something else. So on that particular file, on your paper, let us assume that in your paper, how many pages are there? 10, 6 or 12, whatever it may be. You need to mention here. And number of claims. I said already 10 claims are there. So number of pages in that particular claims. To write the 10 claims, I required 3 pages. So I need to write here number of pages is 3. Claims is equal to 10. Abstract 1 only. Number of drawings. Let us, it is 5 drawings. 5 that pages are 2 pages or 3 pages. Number of drawings are 5. And sequence listing, number of pages and number of priorities. You need to mention everything here. Title of the invention, your title, and address for service in India, and state. You need to select the state and you need to give your details, telephone, mobile, something else, email ID, alternative mail ID, abstract, descriptions, and your claims. After that, you need to enter your applicants. How many applicants are there? Here automatically it will gives you your details. Why? Because you log in into by using your credentials, you're logging into this site. So that's why it will show you your name and your details. Everything is here. It will not remove. Okay. So here after that you need to add inventors one by one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your batch belongs to 4 members, means 4 members you need to enter one by one only. Okay. So we can also remove the remaining 3. If for example, if I enter here 4 members along with me, total is 5 members are there. I can remove remaining 4 except me. Okay. So after that here inventors are the same as the applicants. Yes, it is means just if I click on it, then it will appears the same thing what you are having enter in the previous. Otherwise, don't click on it, and you need to add inventors also one by one as it is required. And after that, click on the form 9 and upload it. Okay, this is the first step. If you want to if you want to upload the patent filing. So here, first log in into it. Before that, after taking the e-mudra, get it as some credentials. Use that one. Just log in into it. After that, fill the form 1, form 2, 3, 5, and 9. These forms are to be required. Along with, we require the claims sheet and figures also, and abstract. So this belongs to the form 1. Already I showed that form 1, and applicants and inventors are there. You need to mention it. After it, form 2 is there. Complete specification, title of the invention, and without figures, you need to fill this form 2. Right? If you want to write any general paper or any conference paper, means always you are including with figures. you are uploading with figures. In some journals, they are asking, they mentioned that without figures, you need to upload your journal paper or the conference papers in that particular site. But in case of the patent filing, we should not include the figures in Form 2. And Form 3 is there, statement and undertaking. This is undertaking form. All your signatures and details is to be repeated here. Okay, you need to upload this file also. And Form 5, declaration as to inventorship. Declaration form is there. You need to fill the declaration along with your signatures. Signatures are mandatory. And Form 9 is there. In Form 9, in separately, request for the publication. This Form 9 belongs to request for the publication. Okay, to the patent office. So there also we need to give all the applicant names along with the signatures. Okay, so this is the required files before going to file the patent. After that, use this link and you will get the same site. So this one already I shown. So here proceed. After proceeding, you will get this window, new window. Upload all the details and the files one by one. So this is the declarations. Before going to declare the form, you need to proceed by clicking on it as Form 9 and upload it. Next, after that, by using this window, one by one we need to upload the files, 1, 2, 3 forms, right? So after that, after uploading, you need to verify each and every file. Every time you will get the pop-up that is your file is verified. Your file is verified. Then only you need to proceed for another file. Okay. So after finally, after filing everything, finally they ask the payment options. By using your UPI or bank, you can pay the money in online only. Okay, it generates the payment file. Okay, save it for future purpose. Okay, after getting this, it will generate the one number, one unique number. By using that number, you can see the updations by using this link. This is the patent link. Okay, patent check. We can check your patent, where it is, what is the status of your patent. Grant also having like this only, same procedure. There also we can check using the grant link. That is another link is there. I will show you. Right. So this is my patent. This patent having the number is there, application number. Use that application number. Yeah. Okay, no need to use that. Application number 2025, it is published in 2025, having the number 410-40641. Ordinary application. These are the claims, and my title is this one, and this is my mail ID something. So publication date is 2025 only, and awaiting the request for the examination. So first it is filed. Okay, just if you file the patent, then only this one is highlighted. Filed is only highlighted. After published, it will show you the published. That means my status is it is published only. After the examination passed and it is to be disposed. Okay, so everything will converted to green color. So we can also see what are the documents I uploaded there. So these are the documents 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 documents I uploaded there. Okay, we can also verify anytime, anywhere, right? So with this number, this is the application number, right? So if it is the grant is there, so grant also having some site, this is the site. So using the number, grant have application number 40 something else 001, using this, then I can also see my grant. Design accepted and published. Journal in 2024. Journal date is this one. Okay. So we can also see what is the status of your grants or patents using this site. Intellectual property in India, IP patents. Right. So after published, then it will show you like this. Right. So this is the published paper patent. So patent application number, and it is published in India only. Date is something. Publication date is this one, and our title is this one. And these are the authors, applicants, 6 members, right? My addresses, all the applicants are addresses, and my abstract is this, and this is the page number 46738. We can also see this one in the general publications, right? These are the journals. Okay. So journal number 9, 2026, date of publication 27, date of available 27 something 22. So 26. So if you see here 22 2026, this one is 27 to 2026. That means for every week the patent is to be published. Several members are there in India, so they are to be published. So every week it is to be published in the patent office. We can uh, take, or we can see your patent in this particular journal site also. Not only by using your number, we can also see here. So in this part 1, part 2, part 3 is there. All these are the patents, belongs to patents. These are the design patents. So we can see this one. So this is the form. After filing your patent, it will gives you this form. Okay. It consisting the amount and application number. Okay. And your title also. After filing the patent. So these are the journals you can see in the patent journal search. Just I will show you the journals, that is the grants or the design patents. So these are the design patents. So we can also view. So they've taken the patent on this particular product. So this one, kitchenware product it is, right? So vegetable chopper it is, right? So previous designs are different to this design. Okay, previous some thread is there. If you pull the thread, then the cutter will operate. But here some pushing is there, right? Push button is there. Using this, then the chopping is to be starts, right? So that design is this one only. Okay, simple thing, but this is an idea. It is to be converted to as a patent. No one will take this one. Okay, if I want to do this means I need to take the permission from him only. Okay, by paying the money, not a free. For 20 years, up to the 20 years. It is to be published October 2022. Right? So like this, we can also design anything. Okay, so our electrical products are also there here in this. This is some robot. Just I will show you what it is. Okay, this is the windmill. Representation of the sheet. Okay, so statement of the novelty, we can see the novelty what it is there. Shape and configuration of the wind turbine of the power generations as illustrated. This is the claim. Virtue of this registration is in respect of any mechanical function or principle of action or operations of the wind turbine for power generation. Okay. So based on the wheels or these wings, right? So we can take the patent. So this is the thing actually there. Okay. So the design based on the design. Okay. We can also take the patent. That means we can also earn the money or we can get the fame. Okay. This is the top view, front and side views like that, right? So this is the thing. So use the links. These links you can see several patents what are to be already published in the patent journal. Okay, so designs and everything. Okay. So thank you very much for listening. If you are having any doubts on it, please ask me now or in your free time. Please come to me. I will guide you how to file the patent. Okay. So to publish the patent, it can be useful to you. Okay. So use this one and do your work. Okay, as early as possible. Thank you. ఇంకా డాట్లు చూపిస్తుంది. ఇదే కదా. షేర్ మొబైల్లో వచ్చిందా చూడు. స్లోగా ఉంది. స్టార్ట్ పడతాను. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చారు అని అంటున్నారు. స్టార్ట్ రికార్డింగ్ రాదండి.